my name is Lisa. Today I will share about drones problem. Do you know how to use drones in our life? We need to use library from a branch investigation and transportation. Today I will share about how to drones use in our life and problems. First, library drone. This drone lands and returns on behalf of the librarian and delivers books too. However, it disturbs people to read books since they make some noise. If we use the drone's behalf of the librarian's job is lost. Second, drone taxi. It is an unmanned taxi. People can ride drones and move around the area, and it doesn't have any traffic congestion, and it is much faster than other public transport. However, they doesn't take many people, and if we use drones behalf of the taxi driver's job is lost. Today I was shared about how to use drones and problems. We need to drones many. We used to drones many in our life, but as we use drones in a variety of ways, problems arise. So we need to think about solutions to the problems of the drones. Thank you for listening my presentation.
Hello, my name is today I want to talk about situation of using drones. In the world, there are many situations that need drones, like delivering or mapping or in security. We want to talk about this situation. First, drone can be used in security. In security, they need many sites. Well, drone can search a stable or hard to reach area, or it can search a wide area and find missing something or keep watching something. Second, drone can be used in movie. In movie, you can often see stunt scene. It can be CG, but some movie want to save reality, so they take stunt scene in reality. If they use stunt in reality, they can use drone. Drone can take very wide area or take very high area. Also, it can take picture more clearly. Today, I talk about situation of using drone. There will be more situation of using drone, and also, in that case, drone will be very useful. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Alice. Today I introduction of drones. There are many drones with different uses in the world, but it makes many good things and problems. So today I talk about first, introduction of drone. Second, drones good things and problems. Third, what drones do. Last, opinion. First, introduction of drones. I thought that a drone meant a small flying object, but I found it flying and being piloted without a pilot. Second, good things and problems. Once the good things talk about, it can easily to deliver, and it can draw a map too. To the next problems. It can make very noisy, or accident can occur when a drone What and third, what drone do? Drone can water on fern and play with family or friends. Last, my opinion. I don't think drones are that good because drones can cause serious accidents and are very noisy. Thank you for listening my presentation.
Hello, my name is Yumi. Today I will tell you about the drones. Please listen carefully. First topic, people fly drones. Drones help people a lot. Let's take a look at the contents. First, drones help harvest crops. Second, drones help security. Third, drones help mapping. Fourth, drones help businesses. Fifth, drones help in medical fields. Sixth, drones have safety. Second topic, drones and the law. Let's find the law. There are many things using drones, but there are also problems. First, privacy is not maybe protected. Second, using drone safety is a big concern. Third, traffic control. Fourth, drones are noisy. Third, solution and opinion. In summary, drones are very helpful to us because they help us cross medical rescue activities and business and maps. However, privacy is not protected and drones are noisy. But I think drones are necessary for us because there are many more good things than problems. I hope we can make a good law about drones and make our lives better. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Irene. What I'm going to present today is problems and benefits of drones. Table of contents is the introduction, the problems with drones, the benefits of drones, and summary. Do you know about the problem with drones? Drones are used in various fields such as security, farming, and safety. So what's the problem with drones? First, invade of privacy. In fact, people or companies could collect your information with drones are used it for various. Second, drones are noisy. In fact, residents who are experiencing this say the sound similar to running chainsaw. On the other hand, the good things is first farming. They use them to decide how much water or fertilizer their crops need. or for this information helps them save water and use fewer chemicals. Second, mapping. Drones are much less likely to make mistakes. This helps scientists locate minerals or accidents worse. Drones have problems where they are sicker. Thank you for watching my presentation.
Hello, my name is Ria. Today I will tell you about the use of drones. Do you know about how to use drones in our society? Let's talk about that. First, drones can save people. In the structure of the sea, drones can throw tubes at drowning people or see the situation and inform the rescue team of the situation. And in the fire situation, they can help turn off the fires. Second, drones can help in sea, like exploring sea creatures and clean up the garbage. But are drones all good like this? That's not true, because drones use batteries so they can bump and hurt people or other creatures, and they can easily break or crash, so people or animals can hit by falling drones. So my opinion is drones are very useful and good technology in our future. Thank you for listening my presentation.
Hello, my name is Emma. I'll tell you about the drones. Drone is used in businesses, farm, and police. In businesses, drone delivery for people need. And in farming, farmers monitor their fields and how much water or fertilizer their crops need. And in police, drone search for criminals. Drone have problems like drone carry dangerous items and fly closer to the ground. First problem is drone carry dangerous items like bombs or poisons. If it falls down, it is an accident, and airplanes are tracked safely each flight. Second problem is drone fly closer to the ground. It is crashing to people, but I think drone is good because it is beautiful in our life. Thank you for listening my presentation.
Hello guys, do you know drones? Drone can see lots of things. For example, drone used in business for delivery, but also drone has a problem. First, drone is too noisy. When thousands of drones are crossing your house, what do you think so? It made very annoying. Second, your privacy became very dangerous. Are you okay when one of the drones enter your house and take a lot of pictures of your family? Criminals use drones to take pictures of your privacy and take off your information. It is too dangerous. But also, drone has a good point, like drone show or artificial pollination or protecting animals and delivery. I think drone is very dangerous, like privacy and noisy. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Jane. Today I'll tell you about drones problems. We use drones for many fields. For example, first we use filming video. Drones can filming the most beautiful scenes. Second, we use delivery products. Drone can deliver so quickly, but it has problems. Fourth, drones can drop the products. If people crash into them, people can hurt very big. Second, they can fall. If they fall, the animals can eat them. If animal eat them, the animal can die. So what is the solution? It depends on our actions. We use drones for good way. The future of drone is very bright. Or we use drones to bad way. The drones of future is very terrible. Thank you for listening my presentation.
Hello everyone, I'm Daniel. Today I'll tell you about the drone. Do you know drone? Drones are used in our life. Drones have many types, like a shooting drone or firefighting drone. Drones are used in many ways. In military, they use drones for spy. In government, they use for save people. Last, in hospital, they use drones for deliver medicine fast. Or we can use drones for fun. Drones can be annoying to people for noise. But it can use in bad ways, like for crime. For example, thieves can use drones and keep your private. We don't have any certain law, so we should make certain law and use drones carefully. Thank you for listening to my presentation.